Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how you can use artificial intelligence to create your very own chatbot. Whether you want a helpful assistant for your website, a fun conversational partner, or a tool to automate customer support, AI chatbots are more accessible than ever. We'll break down the process step by step, making it easy for beginners to follow along. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of the tools, platforms, and techniques needed to bring your chatbot idea to life. Let's dive in and discover the exciting world of AI-powered chatbots together. Before we get started, let's clarify what an AI chatbot actually is. An AI chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, often using natural language processing and machine learning. These bots can answer questions, provide recommendations, or even hold casual conversations. Unlike traditional rule-based bots, AI chatbots can learn from interactions and improve over time. This makes them incredibly useful for a wide range of applications, from customer service to entertainment. Understanding this foundation will help you make informed decisions as you build your own chatbot. You might be wondering, why should you build your own chatbot? Creating a chatbot allows you to automate repetitive tasks, provide instant support, and engage users in new ways. For businesses, chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. For individuals, chatbots can serve as personal assistants, helping with reminders, scheduling, or even just providing company. Plus, building a chatbot is a fantastic way to learn about AI and programming, opening doors to exciting career opportunities. There are several types of chatbots you can create. Rule-based chatbots follow predefined scripts and respond to specific keywords. AI-powered chatbots, on the other hand, use machine learning and natural language processing to understand and respond more flexibly. Some chatbots are designed for text-based interactions, while others can handle voice commands. Choosing the right type depends on your goals and the complexity you want to achieve. In this guide, we'll focus on AI-powered, text-based chatbots, as they offer the most versatility for beginners. Before you start building, it's important to plan your chatbot. Think about its purpose. Will it answer customer questions, help with scheduling, or just chat for fun? Define the main tasks your chatbot should handle and consider the tone and personality you want it to have. Planning ahead will save you time and help you create a more effective and engaging chatbot. Write down your ideas and map out a simple flow of how conversations should go. This blueprint will guide you through the development process. Next, you'll need to choose a platform for building your chatbot. There are many options available, from user-friendly no-code platforms like Chatfuel and ManyChat, to more advanced frameworks like Microsoft Bot Framework and Google Dialogflow. If you're new to coding, starting with a no-code platform is a great way to learn the basics. For those with programming experience, frameworks offer more customization and control. Consider your technical skills and the features you need when selecting a platform. Once you've chosen a platform, the first step is to set up your account. Most platforms require you to sign up with an email address and create a new project or bot. Follow the on-screen instructions to get started. You may need to verify your email and agree to terms of service. Setting up your account is usually quick and straightforward, so you'll be ready to start building your chatbot in just a few minutes. A key part of chatbot development is designing the conversation flow. This means mapping out how users will interact with your bot, what questions they might ask, and how the bot should respond. Start with a simple greeting, then add branches for different types of inquiries. Use decision trees or flowcharts to visualize the conversation paths. This step helps ensure your chatbot is logical, user-friendly, and able to handle a variety of scenarios. To make your chatbot feel natural, write out sample dialogues. Think about the most common questions users might ask and how your chatbot should reply. Include greetings, answers to FAQs, and polite ways to handle unknown questions. Writing these scripts in advance helps you spot gaps in your conversation flow and ensures your chatbot communicates clearly and effectively. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the technology that allows chatbots to understand and respond to human language. NLP breaks down user input into meaningful components, helping the chatbot figure out intent and context. Many chatbot platforms have built-in NLP capabilities, so you don't need to be an expert to get started. However, understanding the basics of NLP will help you create more intelligent and responsive bots. Training your chatbot involves teaching it how to recognize different types of user input and respond appropriately. Most platforms let you define intents, like booking an appointment or answering a question, and provide example phrases for each intent. The more examples you provide, the better your chatbot will understand user requests. Training is an ongoing process, so keep updating your chatbot as you learn more about how users interact with it. A chatbot with personality is more engaging and memorable. Decide if your chatbot should be formal, friendly, humorous, or professional. Use consistent language and tone throughout your responses. You can even give your chatbot a name and avatar to make it feel more relatable. Adding personality helps users connect with your chatbot and encourages them to interact more often. To reach more users, integrate your chatbot with popular messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or your website, live chat. Most chatbot platforms offer easy integration options, often with just a few clicks. This allows your chatbot to interact with users where they're already spending time, increasing engagement and usefulness. For advanced functionality, connect your chatbot to external data sources like databases, APIs, or spreadsheets. This allows your bot to provide real-time information, such as weather updates, order status, or personalized recommendations. Many platforms support integrations with popular services, making it easy to add dynamic features to your chatbot. Before launching, thoroughly test your chatbot to ensure it works as expected. Try different types of questions and scenarios to see how the bot responds. Ask friends or colleagues to test it as well, since they might spot issues you missed. Testing helps you catch errors, improve responses, and create a smoother user experience. No chatbot is perfect, so it's important to handle errors and unexpected inputs gracefully. Program your chatbot to recognize when it doesn't understand a question and provide helpful fallback responses. You can also log these cases to review and improve your bot over time. Handling errors well makes your chatbot more reliable and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with your chatbot, it's time to deploy it. Most platforms provide simple deployment options, such as embedding a widget on your website or connecting to messaging apps. Follow the platform's instructions to make your chatbot live. After deployment, monitor its performance and be ready to make updates as needed. After your chatbot is live, collect feedback from users to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Many platforms offer analytics tools to track user interactions, popular questions, and drop-off points. Use this data to refine your chatbot, add new features, and fix any issues that arise. Continuous improvement is key to a successful chatbot. Regularly review user feedback and analytics to identify areas for enhancement. Update your chatbot's responses, add new intents, and improve its understanding of user input. As your chatbot evolves, it will become more helpful and engaging for your users. As you gain experience, consider adding advanced features to your chatbot. These might include voice recognition, sentiment analysis, or integration with smart devices. Advanced features can make your chatbot more interactive and useful, but they may require additional coding or third-party services. Start simple, then expand as your skills grow. Privacy and security are crucial when building chatbots, especially if you're handling sensitive user data. Make sure your chatbot complies with relevant data protection laws and follows best practices for storing and transmitting information. Use secure connections, limit data collection, and inform users about how their data will be used. As your chatbot becomes more popular, you may need to scale its capabilities. This could mean handling more users at once, adding support for multiple languages, or integrating with additional platforms. Many chatbot platforms offer scalable infrastructure, so you can grow your bot as your needs change. Monitoring your chatbot's performance is essential for long-term success. Use analytics tools to track metrics like response time, user satisfaction, and conversation completion rates. Regular monitoring helps you spot trends, identify problems, and make data-driven improvements to your chatbot. To keep your chatbot up to date, automate updates where possible. Some platforms allow you to schedule regular updates or connect to external data sources that refresh automatically. Automation saves time and ensures your chatbot always provides the latest information to users. If you're short on time or new to chatbot development, consider using pre-built templates. Many platforms offer templates for common use cases like customer support, booking, or FAQs. Templates provide a solid starting point and can be customized to fit your needs, helping you launch your chatbot faster. A well-designed user interface makes your chatbot more appealing and easier to use. Customize the appearance of your chatbot window, choose colors and fonts that match your brand, and add your logo or avatar. A polished interface enhances the user experience and builds trust with your audience. Make your chatbot more engaging by adding multimedia elements like images, videos, or audio clips. These can help explain complex topics, showcase products, or simply make conversations more fun. Most platforms support multimedia integration, so experiment with different formats to see what works best for your audience. To reach a global audience, consider adding support for multiple languages. Many chatbot platforms offer translation features or allow you to create separate conversation flows for different languages. Supporting multiple languages makes your chatbot accessible to more users and can significantly expand your reach. If you run an online store, integrating your chatbot with e-commerce platforms can boost sales and improve customer service. Chatbots can help users browse products, answer questions, and even process orders. Look for platforms that support e-commerce integrations like Shopify or WooCommerce. AI enables your chatbot to personalize interactions based on user data and preferences. For example, your bot can remember previous conversations, recommend products, or tailor responses to individual users. Personalization makes your chatbot more helpful and increases user satisfaction. Chatbots can help users schedule appointments, set reminders, or manage to-do lists. Integrate your chatbot with calendar services or task management tools to offer these features. Scheduling and reminders add practical value and encourage users to interact with your bot regularly. One of the most popular uses for chatbots is customer support. Your chatbot can answer FAQs, help users troubleshoot problems, or direct them to human agents when needed. This improves response times and ensures customers get help whenever they need it. If your chatbot collects user data, do so responsibly. Clearly inform users about what data is being collected and how it will be used. Always give users the option to opt out or delete their data. Responsible data collection builds trust and helps you comply with privacy regulations. Analytics tools help you understand how users interact with your chatbot. Track metrics like conversation length, user satisfaction, and common questions. Use these insights to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions about new features or updates. Regular maintenance keeps your chatbot running smoothly. Check for bugs, update scripts, and review user feedback on a regular basis. Maintenance ensures your chatbot stays relevant and continues to meet user needs as technology and expectations evolve. Study successful chatbots to learn what works and what doesn't. Analyze their conversation flows, features, and user interfaces. Many platforms have showcases or directories where you can interact with other bots for inspiration and ideas. Join online communities and forums dedicated to chatbot development. These groups are great places to ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others. Community support can help you solve problems faster and stay motivated throughout your chatbot journey. AI technology is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, tools, and best practices in chatbot development. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online courses to keep your skills sharp and your chatbot competitive. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri are becoming more popular. Many chatbot platforms now support voice integration, allowing your bot to interact with users through spoken commands. Voice assistants open up new possibilities for accessibility and convenience. While AI chatbots are powerful, they do have limitations. They may struggle with complex or ambiguous questions and sometimes misunderstand user intent. It's important to set realistic expectations and provide users with ways to reach human support when needed. When building chatbots, consider legal and ethical issues. Make sure your bot doesn't spread misinformation, respects user privacy, and complies with regulations like GDPR. Ethical chatbot design builds trust and protects both you and your users. Good documentation makes it easier to maintain and update your chatbot. Keep records of your conversation flows, intents, and integrations. Documentation also helps others understand your chatbot if you're working in a team or sharing your project. Once your chatbot is ready, showcase it to the world. Create a demo video, write a blog post, or share it on social media. Showcasing your work can attract users, get feedback, and even open up new opportunities for collaboration or employment. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or mistakes. Every chatbot developer encounters challenges along the way. Use mistakes as learning opportunities to improve your skills and make your chatbot even better. Persistence and a willingness to learn are key to success. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of using AI to create your own chatbot. From planning and building to deploying and improving, you now have the tools to start your chatbot journey. Keep experimenting, learning, and refining your bot. The world of AI chatbots is full of possibilities, so go ahead and bring your ideas to life.